Copper thieves have struck again, this time at a daycare. And even with thousands of dollars worth of damage, the daycare is still open for business.
Fox 10 News reporter Candace Murphy shows you what the thieves left behind and how the daycare is holding up in all this heat.
It's a county-wide problem. Thieves breaking into air conditioning units, stealing copper.
Copper seems to be the #1 problem because when someone steals the copper, usually there's a destroyed air conditioning system, or there are destroyed walls in houses, or the copper plumbing has been pulled out from underneath houses, causing several $1,000s worth of damages to the innocent.
This time, copper thieves targeted Mount Airt Daycare in Theodore, Alabama, tearing apart 4 of the 8 air conditioning units.
We have approximately $15,000 to $16,000 worth of damage, and it should have been more than that if they had completed their job. I believe something or somebody disturbed them and they cut their mission short.
Even though units like this one were destroyed, school officials say they are thankful they still have 4 units like this one up and running.
We do consider ourselves very fortunate in that we do have some air left during this hot period of time. We're still disappointed that it happened, but we feel blessed that they didn't take out all of the air.
In case the thieves do return, Mount Airt Daycare is keeping a close watch on the facility.
We have hired some people that watches this place for 24 hours so that when the daycare closes, they watch to make sure that no one is on the premises, and if so, then we'll be notified so we can respond in a hurry.
Hopefully, it's a response that won't be necessary. Reporting in Mobile, Candace Murphy, Fox 10 News.
And school officials say they are working with their insurance company to cover the cost of the damage. Until the units are repaired, children have been relocated into rooms with air conditioning and fans.